Hydrocolloid patches are amazing. You may be familiar with them from pimple patches, but they can do so much more. So I was thrilled. I was just gifted these Blister Bliss patches. These are specifically designed to help you wear in new shoes and not get those blisters, but they also will help with the blisters if you already have them and protect the blisters while you're recovering. Let me show you what these are all about. Now it comes in a resealable package and you get 10 patches, and each patch comes in its own sterile packaging. And once you pop that open, you are just gonna have a hard plastic piece with the hydrocolloid sticker on it. It's basically a transparent sticker, especially once you put it on your body. And what's amazing about these is they are softer. The hydrocolloid patch, not exactly squishy, but soft against your skin. It will provide that protective barrier to prevent that blister or cover it. And then the main thing is that the hydrocolloid itself will actually pull out whatever is in the blister over time. And so this patch will become white while it is protecting the blister, and then it can just stay on until it finally comes off on its own or when you want to take it off. It feels so soft on my skin. This definitely is protecting my skin as I rub against the patch. I can't feel that at all. Or as I rub here, obviously I would start to get a rub burn or damage spot right here on my hand if I was pushing hard. This protects completely. It's so nice. And as you can see, I have it on the side of my hand and it is completely flexible. It fits perfectly. Really nice patch. So whether you're giving your blisters the ideal environment for a quick heal while protecting you, or you're using this as a preventative layer, I think you're going to love this blister pack. Definitely get this before you run into trouble so you have it on hand. This is a really nice item to have for bachelorette parties or any type of event where you know you're about to wear some shoes that might really hurt your feet. I think you're gonna love these. These blister bandages are gonna come in handy.